picked up fuel. So this morning, it's almost afternoon now, we're gonna run up and help Scott, my buddy, load a couple of FJ40's on that I found him. He seen me building mine and decided he needed one bad, so we found some, he bought them both, and he's loading them up, hauling them home. But we'll go up and do a little video just so you guys can see them all and see what we got going. Alright, we're gonna go down and see Billy today. He's got some good deals for Scott and for me as well.
You got company. Hey,
hello, sir.
Hey, how you doing, Paul?
Good.
How's everything?
It's good.
Good,
Yeah.
good.
Well, he's getting a smoking deal here. These things are awesome. What can I do to help you, Scotty?
I'm just gonna hook
Hook it in the middle, it'll pull it.
Yeah.
Let's go
Make
around.
sure you're neutral.
Yep. What'd you do before winches were invented? Come along. Oh yeah. Hours of come alonging.
It looks like this spare tire has never been used.
Probably hasn't.
It looks brand new still. It looks like it's in four-wheel drive still.
It probably is. Hubs are probably in.
Oh, that is cool.
Yeah.
The hub doesn't say like locked or open. It says 4x4 or 4x2.
Yep. Well, let's do this. Let's throw a chain around it and have you just pull forward, and we'll pull it in line.
Right.
Then we can push it right on.
That's cool. Look at this old oil can.
Dropped a knife down here. It's in 1974 we found the paperwork on it. That one rolls a lot easier.
Yeah, this one rolls easy.
Oh, buddy.
And I believe this box set this top down and we'll get that bar out.
I'm buying it. Okay. Scott, the FJ owner. Yep, we got it. On and on one. Pretty dang cool. I finally got my missing parts for my rear suspension, so next week I hope to have it done.
Good job, good job.
That,
You'll get it.
so
You're
when
after
you
it.
get up here next spring, I'll come take you for a ride in it.
I want to, please do.
Oh yeah,
Please
for
do.
sure.
I realized, you know what? Why don't I elevate myself instead of trying to bring someone down to my level? Why don't I go ahead and raise myself to that level? That's a true story.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
So we got Scott's FJs loaded, and we are heading out of here. We just may have got ourselves a little surprise as well. I'll show you when we get home. It's pretty freaking cool. I've been wanting one of these forever, and Billy hooked me up. We're gonna make it run. I'll tell you that much. It has a motor.
The Yamaha.
It is a Yamaha. I love this thing. Got it?
That thing's sweet.
No air filter in it. It looks like they took it out and serviced it and never put it back.
Oh, it's clean.
It's clean. We'll push it in the shop, and then we'll work on the important stuff, like Toyotas. So we're gonna make this thing run. So this is the same gig as all the other ones. It's been parked since 2000. Last time it was live, 2000. So we're gonna see how if Toyota's as good as a Jeep. If you're good, you should make it right to the shop and roll inside. We'll see what we can do.
We'll see if you can make it. Chugga, 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 chugga.
I'll park closer next time.
Still turns pretty easy. Oh. We ran out we need another.
I'll get out.
Oh.
You guys doing anything?
No, we were just letting you. There we are. This is where the magic's happening, Jason. Alright.
Oh, it's straight. That's the same motor as the
Oh
other
yeah.
one.
Oh yeah.
Turns over.
Turns over. She'll fire. Check the oil. I think it's on that side. It's got black stuff in it.
Brown gold.
Put a little water in
As
it.
it goes out.
The question is, will the fuel pump pick up? There's a heater back there?
Let's check this out.
Oh yeah. Fixed it.
Little WD-40.
WD-40 to the rescue. All right, fire this thing up. Fill the float bowls. Okay, light it.
No way.
Oh yeah. Okay, now we just got to get some fuel in the tank and
All smiles. All smiles.
crank it. I may have flooded it. I don't think the fuel pump's doing it. Oh, it's leaking. You're gonna have to put a seal in the front. Okay, crank it again. We may have picked fuel up. After 20 years, they just picked up fuel. The gasket in that right there. They just picked up fuel. It's all running. Been set for 20 years. Well, that's pretty cool.
That's freaking way cool.
It ran out of fuel again. Yeah, the sight glass is empty. I got one last. I'll fill it up one more time. Try that. Nope. I think you're out.
Yeah.
Scott, you'll have to put a little stuff into it. You don't want to drive it with that leaking anyway because we don't want to burn this thing down. But it runs and the motor sounds good. How many miles are on it?
58,000.
Original.
That one's got 40.
Are you selling either of them?
Possibly.
So I guess if you're interested in one of these, you should probably hit me up and I'll get you in touch with Scott. Because they're his, he bought them. What's that one, a 74?
74. I'm not sure what this
We don't
one
know what
is.
year this one is. Jay, scan around this thing so people can tell us what year it is.
I got the titles, just not yet.
So this is the one he wants to sell. 74 Land Cruiser. If you're interested in it, you should hit me up because he's serious. He wants to sell this one. He's going to keep that one, make it how he wants it. But this one's going to go away. So serious offers only. I mean, we know what these things are worth. We know we paid for them. If you're serious, hit me up. They're Nevada rigs, so they're minimal rust. I mean, I haven't looked at it close, but it seems like everything's pretty solid in it. The back corner I can see, it's got some Bondo in this corner. It's got a little rust popping on that other side. Yeah, for the most part, it's pretty good. So we're gonna fill the float bowl up real quick, and Scott's gonna try to climb it back on his trailer.
You know what's transfer case for?
time to spare,
She's
man.
a runner.
Oh yeah, time to spare. Things are gonna be looking up for old Scotty. He's gonna be in the Toyota world. So, see what he does with them. Who knows? He may sell them. He may keep them. Time will tell. All right, it's morning. Monday morning, actually. I'm back in the shop after a day off, which was much needed. And here we go. This thing's awesome. It's got a Honda 3-wheeler rear fender modified. We're gonna fix that when we get some parts. Things seems to be pretty clean. Those are original tires, front and rear. So she hasn't been ridden a lot, which is awesome for me because I'm gonna ride it a lot. But carburetor, you can see, missing. All right, back to what I was doing. Pine Sol, carburetors. Wish I'd taken a picture of before, so it was just completely green inside and nasty. Soak it in Pine Sol overnight. That's what she looks like. It cleans all the old gas stuff out of it. Best stuff I've ever found for cleaning carburetors. Pine Sol, just the normal stuff you clean your floor with. So I'll assemble this thing, we'll put it on, we'll fire that thing up, see if it runs. Yeah, this thing was pretty nasty. Been setting for 20 plus years, so. Oh yeah, all the passages are clean now. I didn't soak this needle valve in there because I didn't want to ruin the rubber on it. So we'll scratch all that we can off of it. See if it'll seal up and work. Seems like it's gonna do it. Oh yeah. It's doing what it's supposed to. Get it all put together right again. Carburetor's built. Okay, carburetor's in it. I gotta go find some fuel line. This is junk, evidently. Looks like it. And some breather line. Put a fuel filter on it, and we can fire this thing. So I'll round some parts up, we'll start it. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna pour a little gas in it. See if it leaks everywhere. So far, so good. That's not good. The piece of junk filter I have leaks. We got leaks everywhere. Great. Alright, so brand new filter leaking. And this thing's leaking just because it's old and crusty. We'll pull it apart, see if we can put O-ring back in it. But the filter, that just sucks. Okay, fixed the problem. Good old Briggs & Stratton came to the rescue. Got one of their fuel filters. I put a new O-ring in the gas valve. Everything seems to be happy, so we're gonna fire it up. If there's any fuel in the car. Maybe there is. All right. Well, it definitely runs, and it definitely has carb problems. It's not pulling fuel through the main jet. Rubber grommet kit from Harbor Freight. Been setting a long time, got a lot of dust coming off of it. Carb's gonna have to come off. Yep, carb's gonna have to come back off. There's no two ways about it, but it runs, so that's a bonus. I just got to figure out what passage. There's some passage plugged up. I'll figure it out. All right, so I tore the carburetor back apart, and one of those little jets that I was cleaning out earlier, I didn't do properly. That was the problem. So we'll give it a whirl now. Oh. Let me put the choke back in.
Oh, that might help. Yeah.
We got a serious vacuum leak right now. Got a little ahead of myself. Can't win them all, really. I mean, now let's see if that helped. Better. Good job, still.
Hello. I've been a little under the weather the last few days, but Paul just told me that he got this sweet ride going.
You're in that, and I'm in my hoodie.
Look at that.
These are our new hoodies. Check those out.
Oh,
on the
yeah.
sleeves. There's a whole bunch of
FAB
different
RAT'S.
colors, different weights. This is the heavyweight because it's pretty much what I wear all winter is a hoodie. So go on our website and check them out. So, more importantly, let's take this hog for a rip. What do you think? It fought me a little. The jets were plugged up in the carburetor. Had lots of stuff, but fixed. So, she's a runner. Air cleaner's not here yet, so I'm not riding it in the dirt really, other than my driveway, but I'm waiting for that to show up before I take it for a proper ride, but how's that?
So good.
Look at that black mark in the shop.
Oh,
I kind of like this thing. She's awesome. Get on, I get 50 miles to gallon out of this hog. Something I don't remember how that
that is
one
what
goes.
it is.
Anyhow, I ordered some parts for this. So they make these cool little fender things. They're like racks that go on here, front and back. And I found me a proper fender because that one's junk. And an air cleaner. By next week, I'll be out in the hills ripping this thing around, going wherever I need to.
What year is it?
It's either an 86 or an 87.
It's in pretty good condition for that old.
Been in a container. It's an 87 right there. It's a Yamaha big wheel.
I wasn't even in kindergarten yet when this was built.
I was 7 years old when this was made. It didn't get born.
I was like 4 or 5.
Yeah. She's good. I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and park it and on to the next project of the day.
So yeah, go check out the new hoodies you guys have been asking for. A lot of you guys have been asking for it, so now you got it. 4 different colors, 2 different weight levels. Look how good he looks in it.
I look good in anything. Just kidding. How you like my beard?
I don't
Well,
really love it.
I'm going on this golden nugget recovery, and everybody that's going has a beard. I gotta fit in. So here it is. It starts. It's going. Gold miners all had beards. I'm fitting in.
All right.
Getting in character to go on this golden nugget recovery.
All right.